A HEIC file, which is short for High Efficiency Image Coding, is a container format for images and image sequences. It is a popular format since it allows images to be created at a smaller file size while improving its image quality over JPEG. The release of iOS 11 on iPhones made this the standard format for storing photos. Native support for this format on Android devices started with Android 9. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to open HEIC files in Windows 10. To do this, open HEIC files in your Windows 10 computer. Then, open the Microsoft Store. You can click on its icon from the taskbar. Type HEIF image extensions on the search box. This is located on the upper right side of the window. Click on the HEIF image extensions app. This will open the app page. Click on the Get button. This will install the app on your computer. Once the extension has been installed, you will be able to open HEIC files in Windows 10. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.